We are in a salvation to find something important for our project and blog and videos. So we came here just to buy and look the important special tools for the other project. Okay, so we go inside, take a little bit look if there's some important tools we need to buy. Okay. See? So inside quite special quality. Okay. You have a soldering iron? Soldering iron? I check My friend, did you see some soldering iron here?
So what?
Soldering iron or
Soldering iron? No.
No, you cannot see.
No, I haven't seen one at all.
Oh,
Best place to get soldering iron is go over to Kendall's.
expensive, my friend. Only
But you can get a cheap one.
how much? What do you think?
You can get a cheap one for like $10, $15.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because I see in the home hardware is 23.
Yeah, Walmart. And they're cheap too. They don't.
So you check everything.
Yeah,
No.
I looked all through it.
Okay.
Yeah, you can get a cheap one over at Kendall's.
Okay, thanks. I try. Okay. Binibenta ba to? Yung nakatayo na yan? Binibenta yan? Yung kahoy na yan? Ewan ko anong kahoy yan. Buo, do. Magkano? 50? Okay, pag-isipan na, ha? Aba, yung maganda suggestion mo sinabi. Ano pinakabago?
Walang bago dito, puro yung yan.
Sige, kaya ito. Mapilit ka talaga, ha? Sige,
Ito ang sarap to.
salamat. Parang pandesal, ha?
Yes.
Sige, pag-isipan mo yung kahoy nyo, ha? Nisilip ko lang, eh. Okay, guys. Mission to looking some tools and materials for my tables project before I sell it in marketplace or garage. So no problem. The important you check if how much, if there's available or nothing. Okay. So guys, for now we need to leave now after taking some important stops or food. Okay, to check our materials for tables project for vlog and some tools important like soldering iron.
Pumunta ka rito, ito.
Tingin, buksan mo.
Nakaharang nga. Matutuwa si Queenie nito.
Kumuha ka na naman yung basura yun eh.
Tanga, idudunit sana yan, puro puzzle yan.
Napasal ba yan? Gusto ka na Queen yan.
Idudunit niya sana, hinarap ko.
Pasal ba si Queen yan?
Puro puzzle yan, no?
Pero libro-libro lang yan.
Natutuwa si Queenie niyan.
Kalap mo naman sa bahay yan. Sigurado yan.
Eh, at least di ka na bumili, kaysa bibili mo pa yan dyan sa Salvation. Meron ba sa Japan yan?
Hindi nasabi ko sa iyo. Coming from you. Hindi pwede ikumpara dito yan.
Sabi ko, Randy, dagdagan mo naman yung karne ko. Hindi umaabot na 1 buwan eh.
Hindi sisingin yung Japan dito. Okay.
Wala din.
Okay.
Pati doktor